Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert an image in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor and I will insert an image in this PDF file. Now select Home option and here you will find this Add option, click here. Now select Add Image. Answer this, drag image rectangle. You can drag image rectangle or double click on this image and drag image rectangle and save this. Now click open your folder and insert this image. Open. And you can use this image as a stamp or as a content item. Now select place and see this. Now select hand option and click on this edit option and select edit image and click on this image. Now you can change image size and click right button. Here you can arrange your image, you can rotate it, you can fill it and so on. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.